to be in the water though. We're not supposed to swim because I guess undertow or some rough waters. But they have the most splendid outdoor dinner party over there. And I'm gonna walk closer to it. Like, this is the most amazing feeling. There's really nobody on the beach. And this is Cancun, Mexico. And this is the best time of night because there's no harsh sun. I mean, this is splendid. If I were to die tonight, I wouldn't even care. I'm going to tag some people on that statement. But yeah, it's pretty rough here, right close to the shore. But I've got some great food waiting for me. Yeah, this is just totally beautiful. It's way different than the morning sun. Water is very, very comfortable. I mean, it's like, you know, bath water warm. It's just, you know, refreshing, but it's not too warm and it's certainly not cold. But I better get back to my dinner over here. And they've got a DJ that's playing this great music. And the first song he played was Mongo Bongo, and it was beautiful. I don't really know who did it, but he sent me a link to the song. And this is a really small dinner party. They told me about it yesterday after I made those splendid videos about the mariachi. And yeah. So there's the red flags that say, you know, no swimming. So usually that means that's a pretty good warning. And I don't really abuse swimming warnings because I'm a scuba diver. And so when there was an alert not to swim, there's a very good reason why they put those warning flags out.
Hola, hola.
Hola, hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Muy bien, muy bien.
¿Hablas español? Nada.
Margarita, tequila, adictivo, Jose Cuervo, enchilada, taco,
quesadilla,
Taco Bell.
Taco Bell. Taco Bell is no real taco.
I know,
Come on,
but you know what? I love Taco Bell.
Do you really?
Yes.
You know what? Don't talk to me anymore.
No. But you know what?
Taco
Taco Bell is open till 3 in the morning, so it's good. 3 in the morning. So yeah, enchilada, taco, tamale, ceviche. Yes. What's her name? Oh, Alejandro Fernandez.
Sí.
Yeah, I like him.
Sí, you like
He's from Guadalajara.
Sí.
Yeah.
Sí.
Yeah. This is beautiful. This is so nice. This is like the best spot on the strip.
Oh, sí.
Look, there's nothing else.
Of course.
This is very nice. Is this every week?
This is every week. Every week, exactly.
And this,
Like yellow.
I like yellow. And amarilla.
Amarillo.
Yes. And he did the song Yellow on the video, the music video, on a beach in London. Yeah, suburb in England. So I'm a big Coldplay fan. This is just totally beautiful. And if I don't capture it in a video, I'm gonna forget it. Like, if I'm 80 years old, you know, I'm gonna forget all these experiences. And look at my margarita in a hurricane glass. Look at that margarita. Yeah, very good. I don't know, it's a little bit dark, but I don't really care at this point. I wish that massage place was open right now, because this is the best time for a massage. It's not during the daytime, you know, in the sun. It's right now when you're drinking a margarita and enjoying the child-free environment. And yes, this is child-free. Yeah, this is very, very classy. I was in Barbados and there was something really nice, but you know what? There's nothing better than Mexico when it comes to providing service and attention to, you know, their patrons. Yeah, but Barbados was great. I mean, of all the places in the Caribbean that I've been, Barbados and Trinidad were the best, because I'm not the most appreciative of the Caribbean.